Welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. This video is focused on my walking robot Mirft2, made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller which runs embedded Linux and is programmed in Python. Quite a long time already. When it's walking, then it has a strong deviation to the left. Never figured out why, but now with preparing this video I noticed one thing. These guidances are on the same height, but it's not. And the same thing is on the other side. So what I'm first going to do is trying to get this guidance on the same level and see if that in the test matters with walking. I don't know, but it will tell, hopefully. With the screencast I can show you a lot more, so let's do that. I have made some preparations, and preparations are that this bar will be replaced by this combination. That also involves that these will be attached to this one, this combination which I prepared, and the same solution is also here and there. So this will have to be disconnected. In some way. And by the looks of it, that won't be that easy. It comes off, so that's good. And then you see that this construction had to be totally different than this one. And all we have left here is this, including this one. This is going to be connected here. So that looks the same. Shifting this one in. And then this has to be disconnected. And replaced by this one. And then I see I made a slight mistake. So this will go here. And then take this one away, put it in here, slide it on, and then it is at the same level. And I do have to reconnect this one. Does that make sense? I don't know yet. But at least now it is at the same level here. And the same thing has to be done on the other side. And let's not forget one other thing. The connection of the front sensor, which goes in here. So that's one side. Next thing is, how do the legs work? Well, there are 3. So it's 2 down and 1 up, or 2 up and 1 down. That means that this one right now should be somewhere here, which it isn't. Apart from that, this one is a bit longer than this combination, so this one has to go. And the same thing on the other side, of course. Apart from that, and this is how they were connected. So, well, with this all reconstructed and hopefully fixed, let's see how this works out in practice. So I'm going to start it up, because right now the interface isn't even connected, and see how the walking goes. The floor test, and let's see how this will go. First of all, do I have connection? Yes, I do. Two terminals, source code, execution terminal, and terminal on the laptop itself to show pictures that are grabbed from the camera, or by the camera actually, from these objects. Let's start. And it always gives a delay. Because of the camera. So let's give 500 speed. And you can see the way it moves, and it turns sharp to the left. So let's quit. And why does this? I still have no clue. So, power cord like this. I also hear no rattling or whatever kind, but I do see that the interface is completely down. So that's not nice, which means I have to start all up again. One more test, just to see if it has the same erratic behavior. And now I'm looking straight at the robot, whatever the display does, and okay, 500. And then you can see that the left hand legs are barely moving at all. They do move, but not as nearly as much as the right hand side. So that is the cause of the problem. I just have to find out why, because the software is not the issue. Barely moving, moving a lot. So that's what I have to find out. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. You can also follow me on X, Twitter and Instagram. And you can sponsor by making a donation via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by joining me on Patreon. This is going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.